Hello! We have quite a bit to open today. Just trying to get through some of my older stuff. I think we'll start with this Shining Fates box that I got from the Pokemon vending machine. Yeah. Galarian Mr. Rime. Let's just rip it open. Why not? With the little pin. The promo. And then 3 packs. So, we'll just go left to right, I guess. Put the pin up there so it's not in my way. Two, three, 4. Eevee. Nick it. Tropius. Rusted Shield. Buzel. And Indeedee. Let's make nice little piles here. Everything should move over though. Too much clutter. That's really shiny. See if we can get that not to be so shiny. Hey, whatever. Moving on. Finding a place for the trash is the hard part. Let's see. Coughing. Snow. Did I get a snow in the last one? I don't know. Energy, Team Yell, Rusted Shield again, and Zarude. Non-hollow. Yeah. Shining Fates isn't very happy with me. Last one. Shinx again. Water energy this time. Dreadnought and Volcanion. We have just not been doing good, have we? Oh well. More Shining Fates. If I can get it open. Coin, that Kyogre card, and a couple packs. Three, 4. Cookie, Coughing, Morpeko. I actually like Morpeko, he's so cute. 4 packs, 4 energies. Dartrix and Volcanion once again. Okay. Buzel, Shinx. Ooh. First duplicate energy. Floatzel, Tropius, Gym Trainer, and Camera V. Should probably put those in sleeves. Let me grab some sleeves. I always sleeve the promos also. So I'll sleeve up Mr. Rime. Okay. We got Chilling Rain, Short and Sealed, and Big Voltage. I want to do Vivid Voltage last, and do Short and Shield next, I guess. Sobble. So sad. I like the octopus Pokemons. Energy. Evil. And non-hollow Mudstale. All the green code cards. Stop it. Fun Sweet. Kafu. Inkay. What is that it's holding? Is that food? Yeah, different food items. Another energy. Ladian, and Aragon. Okay. Ooh. White code card. White code card. Kafu. Quillfish. Slowpoke. Weedle. Nether water energy. Celio. And just a hologram. Just a holo. I want an ultra rare. We're going to go through, what was it, 8 packs? 9 packs? How many do we have today? 9 packs and we get 1 ultra rare? Probably. With my luck. Yep. That is my luck. It's always been that way. Lulu, Sandal, Weedle, Wilmer, Energy, Rocky Helmet, Reverse Wilmer. At least I get one of my favorite Pokemons. And Mudstale. Well, that wasn't very good at all. Oh well. Bunch of generic bulk. Only one good card. Anyways, bye.